Hey, I'm Nathan Brandt with Cole Ironworks. Today we're here in Knoxville, Tennessee at Bailey International, and we're taking a look at the overall process. We're here with Lucas, looking at how they build their products, a lot of the stuff that we use in our hydraulic equipment, as well as how they distribute that all throughout the world, and looking at just how things are being done here and made in America.
So yeah, we actually bring in 50 to 60,000 pounds of raw materials in every week. Every piece is inspected dimensionally and individually honed, and we're able to process the 50 to 60,000 pounds in a week's time.
Right, so you're replenishing twice a week, and by that following week, all this material is gone.
Yep, move it all the way through.
It's awesome.
This is our 3-axis CNC lathe. So it's very cool. It's one piece in, one piece out. So basically, once it goes through this machine, it'll be able to go through and it's just ready for weld and everything. We can do threading, basically machine the whole process. It takes 22-foot sticks, and we usually go up from anywhere from a 1/2-inch bore all the way up to a 9-inch bore.
Yeah, perfect.
Actually, 100% of our pullet welding is all robotic. Okay. And what that provides us with is actually a 99.7% pass rate on our welds. So obviously that'll help, you're not gonna have many failures with that type of success rate on the welds. We actually do 72% of our tubes are also done robotic welding. So here you'll see our welding booths. All our booths are basically set up, they're identical. It allows guys, let's say we have a shift change, they can jump in that next booth, not have to spend time scrambling, trying to find different parts. Right. They can jump in, get right back to work. Sure. So every booth actually has a dual wire feeder. They run flux and metal core out of those. Basically, the other thing that's really cool is we have 90 to 95% maintenance in-house, which means we have anything break down. We have our guys are certified. They can basically get things fixed, make sure that we're back up and running instead of waiting for an outside service team to come
within
in.
a shift or two.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Here's our testing facility. We run everything with hydraulic fluid as well as air pressure.
Okay.
Basically, we have a 1.5 safety feature on that. So basically, if we have a 3,500 PSI cylinder, we're gonna run it at 5,000. We really want them to fail. If they're gonna fail, we want it to happen here, keep everyone safe and everything like that. So this is where all this takes place. So this is where we'll do all of our power units here. We can do anything basically all the way down to a 1/2 gallon up to a 750 gallon. We are Honda certified. So this is where we'll do a lot of the bigger customized stuff. And then over here is where we'll do more of the smaller projects. Maybe it's a 1/2 gallon, and we can do some testing and stuff over here as well.
This would be kind of the higher volume too.
Yep, higher volume stuff. This one we try to stay around, 1 to 5 range on these bigger ones, just to have enough space for those big tanks. Sure.
So we're in the metrology lab at Bailey, looking at the inspection processes. How often do you guys do an inspection? Is that
daily?
Is it every 5th part, or is it, what's your?
We have a percentage. It's usually 5%, or depending on if it's a new company that's coming in, we'll check more.
Got it. Very cool. So what are you doing here?
So what we have here is our new CMM machine, and what we can do now is take and make a 3D model of the actual part that is coming in and set values on it, per the CAD drawings. And then we can check every part thereafter and make sure that we're good with inspect.
Got it. You show us a little bit of what that process looks like.
So I'll delete this one out.
Just undo everything you've done this morning.
Take this little arm.
Oh, wow.
And what we'll do, we'll just basically hit go, and it will scan, and as if you watch on the screen, it will give us an image.
So you were saying this is a relatively new process.
Very.
Are you guys, prior to this, if you needed to bring this part in, you're manually measuring, checking.
With calipers and
bore gauges and checking
yes,
seeing what's going on. Got it.
So this process should actually help us speed things along, and give us a little.
What's the accuracy of this thing?
0.000005.
Seriously.
It's phenomenal.
Wow.
What was it like when we first started working together.
Yeah, I mean, so in the beginning, you know, it was my business partner and I, Andrew Davis, we were a tiny shop. I mean, it was just the two of us, 600 square foot barn shop, and we were looking for someone that would be able to supply us parts that we needed, which we were kind of figuring that out too. So when we'd call in, we'd have questions. You know, we weren't quite sure where to go from here. And you know, we had attempted to get in with other manufacturers, and we were just too small, you know? And so it was a huge value to us to be able to get in, get our questions answered, be treated, you know, like we were important. And it was one of the foundational beginning points for our company was partnering with Bailey and getting to the point now, you know, where we're doing $500,000 a year with you guys. It's like, it was a really natural progression from 600 square foot barn shop to 40-some thousand square manufacturing space, and you know, you guys kind of growing with us as we went along that process. But you know, that partnership getting started, even in the beginning, was fundamental to us even being able to do what we do.
Yep, that's 5 years has flown by, and we're excited to see where we're going from there too.
Absolutely.
What ways have we been able to exceed your guys' expectations?
Well, again, I think, you know, especially in the beginning when we were getting started, being able to treat us like a larger company and give us the respect that we didn't deserve at the time. That was really important, and it kind of set our expectations within our own company as we were dealing with customers. And you know, we primarily deal with individuals and people that are attempting to start their business or take their hobby to the next level. And you know, giving them the respect and time and answering the questions. I think that interaction between us has been what sets you guys apart from our experience, as well as, you know, just continuing to work as we develop, helping us develop. I mean, we're here getting ready to have an engineering meeting with you guys and go through and look at opportunities for development and growth and answering questions and helping us ask questions that we didn't even know we had. So we're wrapping up our trip here. I just want to say thank you to Lucas and the whole team that helped us today and led the way and explained the processes and helped educate us. That was really a key component of this visit, helping us understand how you guys do it. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. So awesome.